Beautiful Virgos, welcome back to Tarot Talks. I hope you guys are doing good and are safe with your family and loved ones. So Virgos, today we are going to do the collective reading for your sign for the month of September 2021. Please note that this is a collective reading and it might not resonate with all. So just take what resonates and leave the rest, okay? Do check out other placements in your birth chart for a better and clear understanding. So Virgos, first before we jump into the reading, let me wish you all a very happy birthday. We are headed towards Virgo season and may this year bring you a lot of happiness, peace, bliss, success and a very good health, guys. That is of paramount importance right now and anytime, in fact, right? Okay, so I wish you have a great birthday, guys. Okay, so let's jump into your reading, guys. So your overall energy has come up as High Priestess. Okay, I'll talk about the energy while I was experiencing energy that I was experiencing while meditating. I was experiencing a lot of heaviness, guys. Someone has been carrying a lot of burden is what I was feeling. The words that came to my mind was, you need to empty yourself. The way we empty a glass or a vessel, just pour the liquid out of a glass or a bottle or something like that. You have to just let go, okay? And you just have to make peace with whatever the situation is. You have to understand that you cannot control everything and you just need to let go is what I was starkly feeling. Also, the card that kept on flipping from the Angel Oracle deck was No. I mean, the No card came out at least 4 to 5 times. So if you're having any yes no kind of question, like should I do this or shouldn't I do this, should I take this decision, should I take this for example, buy this property or whatever it is, a question that has put you in dilemma, know that it's a big fat no right now. Maybe you could find out more information and maybe you could revisit that thing a couple of days later, but as of now the answer seems to be no, because the card just kept on popping out in the face, okay, right from the moment I picked up that deck for shuffling. Anyway, so coming back to your overall energy that has come up, it's the High Priestess. Powerful psychic insights, reflection and meditation provides valuable information. Be at peace. Okay, it's written over here, be at peace. So guys, for some of you, your intuition could be at peak right now in the month of September. Please note or please pay attention to the red flags. Please pay attention to your gut feeling. Coming back to the energy that I was experiencing while meditating, if you are feeling, if you are sensing some strong emotion about something, please pay attention to that, because that is your inner being talking to yourself, or inner being, trying to alert you or guide you towards something. Okay, so do pay attention to your gut feeling. Try to meditate, okay? During this period, you might experience someone being secretive, or it could be you who want to keep up to himself or herself, not reveal your own plans to others, or someone might be secretive towards you. Okay, just be attentive, okay? Try to meditate a lot, okay? Please pay attention to your dreams, meditate a lot. You might get answers immediately after you start meditating, okay? That's the kind of message this overall energy is bringing in. So guys, your current energy is showing up as Four of Wands. Interestingly, there are a couple of cards that are indicating that there are some new beginnings for some of you guys, okay? Some of you guys might end up marrying, getting into a committed relationship, okay? Yes, definitely, because there is Ace of Cups also that I saw in the overall energy. So yes, definitely marriage is on cards for some of you guys. I also feel that you guys are you guys might have relocated to new house, or might be relocating to a new house. You might have bought a property and you are shifting in there with new family. There are definitely new beginnings in certain aspect of your life is what I'm seeing over here. There is strong indication of brand new beginnings that involves the people that you love, your family, your loved ones, your friends. Definitely see this dove, okay? It signifies some new start, okay? and see this couple happily dancing. Whatever it is, the sun is shining brightly, whatever it is, it's a very pleasant event. Maybe you might be hosting a housewarming ceremony, or probably you are attending someone's wedding, or you are attending someone's housewarming ceremony, or any small function is what I'm getting over here. Yeah, very very beautiful energy, guys. A very happy energy in your current position. Well, in your recent past, the energies are little tough, like the way I was experiencing during meditation. 9 of Wands, guys. Definitely, you are tired and exhausted, and you really need to give, let go of things. Do not try to control things that are not in your hands. Okay, that's the kind of message that I've been getting a lot. 8 of Swords. You are feeling stuck about something. Maybe you're not able to see the things that are there right in front of your eyes. That's the reason why probably High Priestess has come up in your overall energy. Maybe your inner being is kind of guiding you, but you're not being attentive to that, and that's the reason why you're feeling stuck. Okay, you're absolutely feeling stuck. Stubborn. There is the Emperor card as well. Someone is being stubborn here. Okay, someone is being a little adamant over here, a little stubborn energy I'm getting. I think, guys, this is your energy. It's an Aries card, but I feel that you are sitting in the energy of Emperor, or it could be you are dealing with someone who is in this who is being a little stubborn and adamant. Okay, a father figure, maybe someone who is a little elder, okay, to you, but someone who is trying to dominate. Okay, now this could be you or someone else, but definitely I'm feeling a lot of domination over here. Okay, it's an energy of my way or highway, and that is kind of exerting you, that is kind of making you feel helpless. It's kind of making you feel very tired emotionally or mentally, is what I'm seeing over here. Page of Wands. Now this Page of Wands is talking about some messages that have come to you unexpectedly. I feel this Page of Wands has resulted into this Four of Wands, and there is Ace of Wands as well, new beginnings. So this is you met this person in your recent past. Okay, you started with a hi, hello messages. Maybe you met over social media, you started exchanging messages, and then things one thing led to another, and finally you are getting into a committed relationship, is what I'm getting over here. A lot of passionate bond between two people is what I'm seeing over here. Okay, also if it's a work opportunity, I strongly feel that it is in sync with your passion. Okay, something that you really like from the core of your heart is what I'm seeing over here. Yeah, yes, that is kind of igniting your spirits. Yeah, that's the energy I'm getting. The energy in your immediate future is 8 of Pentacles. You could be focusing on yourself. You might have set certain goals towards yourself, some career goals, some goals for your own well-being. Okay, and you are very much focused and dedicatedly working towards achieving those goals. Okay, maybe this is, some of you might be working on your own self. Okay, meditating, probably taking care of yourself, exercising, and indulging in self-care. Basically, it's a very good energy that I'm seeing. Some of you guys are definitely putting a lot of efforts and work in your career. Okay, you are so focused, you are not able to see other people around you. It's that kind of energy and focus that I'm seeing over here. Yes, the energy in your obstacles or advice is that of Knight of Pentacles. Now this is the slowest moving energy in the deck. It tells that, guys, whatever it is that you are trying to work so hard towards, it's not showing up right away, but even if you can't see it right away, know that things are happening in the background. Okay, your efforts eventually pay off. Night, like I said, is the slowest moving energy, so have patience. You really need to have a lot of patience during this period. Okay, you definitely are going to get results, even if you're not seeing them right away. So just don't get frustrated, don't give up. Okay, don't get angry, don't beat up on yourself. know that whatever is happening behind the scenes. Okay, you will definitely see the results, because in the possible outcome there is Ace of Wands. Okay, brand new beginnings, passionate new beginnings. Okay, there could be some hurdles, it's not an easy achievement, but definitely whatever it was, it's going to be worth it. Okay, whatever efforts that you have put here, whatever hard work that you have put, it's going to be worth it. Okay, definitely new beginnings over here, new beginnings in terms of career and new beginnings in terms of relationship is what I'm seeing over here. Definitely this page has resulted into this Four of Wands and Ace of Wands. I strongly feel some of you guys are going to get into a committed relationship, long-term relationship. Like I said, there is Ace of Cups as well. Okay, guys, please forgive me for the background noise. There is Ganpati festival coming up, and people might be preparing for that. I'm sorry about that. Ace of Cups talks about brand new beginnings in terms of relationship. Okay, so like I said, you guys are going to enter into a relationship which is full of passion, full of love, and you're going to love it is basically what I'm trying to say. 10 of Swords, like I said, guys, there is definitely something that is bothering you, and I'm telling you again and again, you need to let go of the control issues. Okay, this is going to be a little painful energy, but the impact will be less if you start accepting things, if you make peace with the situation. That's the kind of energy that I've been feeling right from the time I have been meditating for you guys. Okay, you need to make peace with the situation, you need to accept the situation. Okay, only then you will be able to sail through it. Not an easy period to sail through, guys. Three of Pentacles, you guys might be working over on some project, collaborating with people. Okay, taking help of different people from different areas, people with different skill sets, people with different expertise. Okay, you're coming together and working on some project. Okay, this brand new kickoff that I'm seeing over here, it's an amalgamation of different people with different skill sets coming together is what I'm seeing over here. Okay, very focused energy, guys, very much focused energy. This is definitely backed by the universe. Okay, this is definitely you have the backing of your ancestors, your spirit guides, God, whoever you believe in. Okay, so know that even if it's a slow moving energy, you definitely are going to get results. Okay, Hierophant, like I said, there definitely is marriage in cards for some of you guys in the near future. Okay, two different people from different cultures, varied culture, are going to come together. Maybe you guys are you belong to different caste, religion, different race. Okay, two different communities, people from two different communities coming in together for this institution called marriage is what I'm seeing over here. For sure, whoever guys, to whoever this is resonating, if any such thing happens, do let me know. Okay, I'll be really happy to know, and my heartiest congratulations and best wishes with you guys. So let's see what message we have for you guys from this beautiful deck. This card has flipped out, guys. It's saying a time to give rather than take. It's a new moon in Virgo card. It's your energy showing up in your reading, guys. Time to give rather than take. Make sure that you are giving equally rather than being the recipient. Okay, rather than just being on the receiver's end. Especially if you are entering into a new relationship, make sure that you are giving equally in this relationship is what the angels are saying. Beautiful card, guys. Let's see what message we have for you guys from this beautiful angel deck. Guys, 3 cards flipped, and I am compelled to take those because they are matching or resonating with your overall energy reading. So first card says unlikely. Okay, like I said, there was a no card that kept on popping up while shuffling this deck. Okay, so know that some aspect of your energy or work, okay, some decision that you're trying to make or trying to understand, will it work out or not, the answer to that is unlikely as of now. So park it as of now, maybe give it a shot after a couple of days or weeks is what I'm seeing over here. Romance, definitely, undoubtedly there is romance in card, romance in store for some of you guys. Okay, I have no doubt at all that some of you guys are going to get into a committed relationship that will lead to marriage. So heartiest congratulations once again. No need to worry, Absolutely, guys. You are unnecessarily beating up on yourself. You are being stressed unnecessarily. I won't say unnecessarily, but just accept the things. Accept life the way it is. Okay. Do not beat up yourself and just be stressed and worried. Okay. No need to worry is what the angels are trying to tell you. So let's quickly see what charms we have for you guys. Please forgive me for the noise. Yeah, I'll take this one. I want to take this. And one more, please. I'll take this. Okay. I choose strength. Wow, what a lovely charm. And I absolutely love whenever I get this charm. It is talking about choosing strength instead of weakness. Okay. So guys, whatever this rough period is, just face it headstrong. Everything is going to be fine. You don't have to worry is what the angels have confirmed over here. Find joy in the journey. Absolutely, it's a lovely message, guys. Do not take life too seriously. Enjoy the journey, enjoy the process, okay, and you'll reach at the destination at the right time. Okay, so do not rush into things, do not be impatient, just wait. Everything will be happening at its right time, and whatever is good for you will come to you. Never give up. Wow, I think I used these words while talking about your reading. So do not give up, guys. Like I said, even if you are not able to see the results right away, know that you are bound to succeed. Okay, so do not give up. Okay, have patience, hang in there, and success is going to be yours. So Virgos, I leave it at that. I hope you like the reading. If any of this resonates with you, if any of this is your story, please give the video a thumbs up, drop comments, share your experiences. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. You can also follow me on Instagram at @Tarot Talks, where I keep on posting cool stuff related to tarot. You can check it out there as well. Okay. So yeah, I'll see you next month directly, guys. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye. Take care.